Leon, where are we going?
IKEA!
Yes, we're going to IKEA. で、なんか、イーライはね、ずっと小遣いを手に取って、おもちゃを買うんだとかって言ってます。ね、楽しみだね。IKEA。
Oslo, baby! Yeah!
マイケルにとってはね、初めてオスロにドライブした経験なのでね、ちょっと緊張してる。
It's going well. It's going well.
いや、すごい、いい感じだけどね、ちょっと緊張気味みたいです。
Did you expect anything else?
No? You did awesome.
Alright, I'm
You're
glad.
doing great, sweetie.
Oh, thanks.
We're here.
IKEA! IKEA!
久々の IKEA です。すごいね。なんかその平日のね、その午前中なので人があんまりいないかなと思ってたけど、めっちゃいるね。There's a lot of people actually.
Yeah!
Feet, feet, feet. Look at your feet. There you go.
はい。
IKEA! IKEA!
ね、視聴者さんからもらったねマスクです。以来ピカチュウのやつで、大のお気に入りです。
あー、かわいい。
You have and you are safe.
ね。Whoa.
It's fake.
No, it's not real.
It looks very real. Wow.
It does.
I got a good game on.
Feel it.
Oh, squishy.
Is it a toy?
Kinda. It's for displaying.
No.
What is this low-key party music?
Yeah, I hear it too.
What the heck is it?
Me too.
Like your redneck vibe has increased. Yeah, 100%.
Andy, where's my shotgun?
Yeah, exactly.
Get off my lawn!
You just need a shotgun and a beer. Gosh, look at that. Get out my lawn.
Get off my lawn! Andy, get my shotgun!
Peace. Or like that. Perfect.
Yeah, bye.
Beds.
Beds. Somebody's bored.
Yeah, and I'm gonna buy some,
Let me guess. You want to buy a watermelon?
No!
You want to buy some new shoes?
No!
What is it that you want to buy?
Chicken Mukan second toy and all of the Pokemons.
Like toys?
Yeah,
Oh.
toys.
Oh. Oh my gosh. I remember when you were a little baby and you were pushing the little trolley in the stores. Now you can push a big one.
Yeah.
Wow. It grows up so fast, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is brother.
Okay, okay. Right. 私が欲しい商品がすべて売り切れってどういうこと？ Everything I want to buy is like sold out.
あ、ちょっと待って。この匂い。
いい匂い？ Smells good?
いい匂い。はい。うん。Yo, it smells like cinnamon. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kanelbolle.
No.
Can you say kanelbolle?
Kanelbolle.
Yeah. But can you smell it?
No?
No?
I smell a little bit, yeah.
Ah, that's the smell of IKEA.
わあ、すごいね。カネボレ。The next mission? カネボレ and cafe.
How many, Elias?
How many?
100?
おー、でもなんかピザ美味しそう。で、あとベジタリアンのホットドッグ。すごいね。Okay, mission accomplished. Nice. Fancy. わあ。イエーイ。
Is it approved?
Okay. Okay, let's go to the car and then get that stuff inside. わあ、結構買ったね。マイケルがね、急にね、またあれに行きたいって言ったんだ。今からね、向かってます。なんか、先日ね、言ったんですね。なんか、行こうよ、オスロとか言って。でも、いや、なんかオスロをね、運転するのがちょっと怖いんだとかって言って。でもなんか、ね。
Feel my heart, Emmy. Feel my heart.
No, like that. Bumping. 緊張してるの? Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. I'm like excited. I'm really
excited. やっぱオスロはいいよね。今ね、トリックの後ろをドライブしてるんだけど。
It's so uncomfortable, man.
ね、初めて。なんかいつもね、オスロに住んでた時は、なんかね、トリックで移動していたので、なんか車がどうやって行動してるのかっていうことも全く意識したことはないし、ね、トリックがまず一番ね、優先しないといけないし、
And there's so many people bicycling.
そうで、第2位は通行者と、あと自転車に乗ってる人とね、車みたいな感じで、そういう順番ですね。
やばい。
緊張すごい。確かになんか自転車乗ってる人多いね。あとバイクとかね。
We're back. なあ。久しぶり。そうですよね。ね、
覚えてるかな、イーライ。Do you remember this place?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah? What is this place?
Sushi.
That's right. Oh,
It's
it's a little different.
Oh, there's not. 絶対買う。
本当?
I'm gonna buy natto.
Yeah. Definitely natto.
And the bento's over there.
Can I see?
Oh, curry! Yes! Woo! Which one did we usually get? This one or that
This
one?
one's spicy and this is medium hot. You guess medium hot?
I want bun.
Oh, yeah. So worth the trip.
なんか雰囲気はね、変わってないけどね。It's pretty much the same. It's a little sad. Just a little sad. なんだろう、これラーメンのストック Clartiel Brook Ready to use 味噌ラーメン、スパイシーラーメン、辛口ラーメン、醤油ラーメンね。
めちゃくちゃ懐かしい。
はい
ねえ。Which one do you want to try?
Passion fruit,
What, mango?
strawberry fruit juice, also honeydew milk tea, classic milk.
No.
You don't want?
You want to try this? There you go.
Whoa.
初めてのボバ
初めて。
Get the boba.
Oh, get it, get it.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
飛ばして Is it nice boba?
タピオカ。
タピオカ。ちょっと微妙な反応。
何これ？
美味しいね。はい、
おお。
Be careful, don't get too much boba, huh?
What do you think?
That's mine.
You want the whole thing? Oj, oj, oj. よし。Outland です。
そうじゃん。
Look at this.
無理。
Whoa.
Panda. Hey, don't touch it.
Look at this.
Be gentle, okay?
This thing.
Yeah, somebody made those. Hey, what is that, Elias?
Ladybug.
Yeah, ladybug.
Look at this. Oh.
Elias? Oh. Yabai.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you fixed it?
Look at that.
Huh? Yeah, it's like a duck
Yeah. Look
or
at
a
this.
swan. Yeah, Elias, let's not touch. Okay? Oh, look at the tamago.
Oh, they have the Luffy hat.
Oh my gosh.
Look at Elias. Manben no Emi.
そうですよね。
His smile is the biggest.
Whoa! Look at all these figurines. Uh-oh.
What? Etchy?
Hi.
Etchy. Oh my god.
Oh wow. Oh!
Luffy over there is a little creepy.
Oh my
ちょっ
gosh.
と怖いね、Luffy.
Look at the grease.
Oh my god, they have BTS shit. Coloring book. Are you kidding me? Yes.
Every army needs one.
I would love that.
Whoa, look at this one. Look at garbage. I'm gonna buy some.
Yeah, you have 60 kroners, Elias. You can use it for whatever you like. What would you like to buy?
Maybe I just want middle.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Really? Wow, that's a unique.
We've been at 10 minutes already.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want that one?
This one's cute.
Yeah.
It is cute. Okay, that's it then.
Yeah.
Good job. Let's go pay up.
Yeah.
Let's go. Up. There's somewhere you can sit. That was Oslo.
Hi.
Did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah. ね、楽しかったね、意外。
Nah. Oh my god.
Look at this.
I feel inspired. Literally. This is, you know, we're city people.
はい、なんか確かにね、オスロはめっちゃ良かったで、新鮮で、ね、なんかすごいリフレッシュできました。
Nah.
Ready?
Oh, by the way, this car, not vegan.
アンクス。What does that mean?
It's a type of beef.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
そうなんだよね。なんかまた来たいですね。また来てビーガンのレストランとか、いろいろ試してみたいです。
そうですよね。
はい。ね、でもなんか意外にみんなマスクしてない人が多かったりしたので、ね、まあ収まったのかな。ちょっと I think Oslo is not as red zone anymore, perhaps. はい、ということでね、今日の動画はいろいろね、あって長い一日でしたけど、最後までのご視聴ありがとうございます。
それではまたね。
Yeah.